Everything takes me longer than I expect. It's the sad truth about life. The truth is incontrovertible. Malice may attack it, ignorance may deride it, but in the end, there it is. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. I know where I am going and I know the truth and I don't have to be what you want me to be. I am free to be what I want. Honesty is more than not lying. It is the truth telling, truth speaking, truth living and truth loving. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. A lie can travel halfway around the world, while the truth is putting on its shoes. The truth is you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride and nothing is guaranteed. Speak the truth. People will forgive an honest mistake. They won't forgive you if you lie. My religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. We live in a fantasy world, a world of illusion. The great task in life is to find reality. It's no wonder that truth is stranger than fiction. Fiction has to make sense. A harmful truth is better than a useful lie.